Okay, guys, I'm gonna tell you right now, I got a little lazy, so I went on Amazon and ordered some seeds tray starting kit that comes with the seed trays with the holes in the bottom, the water tray, a dome, and lights that actually insert into the dome. Because I did not feel like hooking up all that stuff, so let me just get all this in a box, and here it is. I am starting out my seeds today, and I'm starting with some pak choi, and I'm gonna start with some Swiss chard, two different varieties. I'm gonna see which one I like best. Why not? Okay, so here we go. This one right here, look at that. 60 days to harvest. Yeah, and this one here, a little less time, so I'm gonna give myself something that gives me a little bit of a quicker reward. So I'll go ahead and throw in these bok choys, 50 days to harvest. That ain't too bad, right? Okay. So far, we're off to a good start. "45 days ain't too bad to wait." And here we are. And all four of these actually germinate around the same time, so that's why I'm trying to group them together based on germination rate, the rate in terms of the number of days it takes for them to germinate, so that I don't disturb them as I'm pulling other stuff out of the tray. So that's why I'm doing it that way. And you can see here on the back of these packages, it said these are container varieties, so that's what I use as my preferred method for growing. So that's why I chose these specific varieties. But this is what it looks like, guys. You see at the top there, that's the light in the top there. And it, I'm just showing off my little labeling practices. That's a good habit to have, guys, so you're not trying to figure out what you put in a tray at a later time. Some plants do kind of look a lot alike in the beginning stages of it. So I've just got there the harvest days, the dates to harvest. When I put it in there, the name of the actual plant and the days of the range that it takes for them to germinate as well. Starting another tray, I'm going to put kale, oregano, and I'm also going to add some spinach and basil to this tray. The soil has been awarded. I've got the dome on top, and then here I'm just trying out 3 different companies for parsley. And as you can see, this float test ain't doing too well. Look at, they still floating. And I'm floating these for 24 hours to see which one has the seeds that fall to the bottom. And I'm gonna tell you, there's only 1 or 2 seeds that actually fell to the bottom after 24 hours. So I threw them in there. We're gonna see what's happening. Parsley really ain't my thing. I just thought I'd just go ahead and grow it. It takes a long time to grow anyway. So if it don't ever come up, I'm not too disappointed. But that's what we're working with. This right here, 59 cents. I ain't hurt. I don't think I spent 43 cents on the second pack. And then, of course, I got that other pack from the Dollar Tree for 25 cents. So if it don't work out, no hard feelings. I'll be okay. I just want to do it to say I did. Okay? But as you can see, I'm not using no precious real estate in one of my seed starting trays to put them in. These ain't gonna need the disposable trays. You hear what I'm saying? Okay, now here we are to the real deal. Now you know these gonna take forever to grow. So I better get going on these. And these are the variety of tomatoes that I chose. And then I'm gonna add the lemon cucumbers in there as well. Here's the setup, guys. The light is on. Can't really see it too much in the daytime, but at night they really do work. We're gonna see what happens. Catch y'all later. Happy growing.